Another great application of ChatGPT is it is able to fix broken code and also explain why it does the fix and how it works. So I prepared something for this. I just have this snippet here. I just wrote, I got the snippet from a forum and it should remove the element from the array at the index given. Unfortunately, it does not work as expected. Please fix it so that it works as intended. I intentionally wrote it to be wrong. So wrong here is the splice function is used correctly, but index +1 is wrong. So there should just be index. And the number 2 is also wrong because it removes 2 elements and not just one, like the name of the function suggests. So just let's see what ChatGPT has to say about that. And it starts off right away. Here's a fixed version of the code. And it found the error. As you can see here, the index and the 1. The issue with is that it tries to remove 2 elements starting from index 1. Single element you should use. Perfect. So that's all. It's great. It can even understand what's the intention behind it and fix it in one go through. So that's pretty great. I tried it with even complexer code or much complexer code in different languages, and it works everywhere. So again, like in the lectures before, let your creativity run free and check what's going on there. But also be aware that you should never share any sensitive code here, especially not anything with API keys or something like that, because ChatGPT uses that for training again, and you don't want your API key to pop up in a function of some other user of ChatGPT. That would not be really great for you. So just be aware of that and don't paste sensitive code here, but just snippets that are easily shareable that you would also give for free on the internet or on a blog access.